Ryan! What?
At one end of John's pool, it's real shallow. It's only 3 feet deep. Can I go?
Nobody asked you to.
Well, when they asked to go swimming, he said, yeah, in fact, all of you can go. Can I, Mom?
I don't know, Christopher.
Please? Come on. Please, Mommy.
Walking down the sidewalks to John's pool, following them. Slow down. Go on. Chris?
Please? Hey, I have to know on videotape. Please, Mom.
Brandon?
Good about being shot on film. God, I wish my
I barely made it to work today.
Hi, John.
That was a hell of a little party.
Davey, stay back.
Go.
Back together.
Cry so I can get it on camera. Oh, I wish. I thought he was good. Yeah.
That was bad.
I got you on film saying that.
What do you say?
Shit.
Sean getting out of pool. Brandon getting out of pool. Chris getting out of pool. Hi, Mom. There's Johnny Lee saying, why did I let these people in my yard? Say hi, John. There you go. There's Clayton trying to get in pool. We got a lot of you like that, John. Go ahead, I'll take it.
I can't.
Oh.
I have to untie him, I think.
Watch me become buoyant. Are you sure?
Push him off, Brandon.
Stop, you pee. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that?
That in the water is a life jacket, honey.
What do you think safer? Hey, Mom, what do you think safer? That thing over there or the life jacket?
The life jacket.
The life jacket.
Watch this awesome way of getting out of the pool.
You say what? So awesome about that. You what? Dad! Oh, Dad! I'm gonna kill Christopher! No! It's good, John. Ah!
Brandon, get out. Brandon, get out.
No.
Brandon, get out.
They They won't let you.
Here he goes.
You guys, be ready to grab him because he's never been in over his head.
Go.
Go on. Go ahead and jump.
Jumping off you.
Go.
They're not going to let anything happen, so you go ahead.
We'll catch you. You're not going to
1, 2, 3, jump.
Go. 2, 3. Go. Jump. There, see?
Get out.
Go.
Very good.
Get ready to film our nice little show.
Look at him go.
Get out.
Look at him go. He can do it, Mom.
Come a little kid.
No, lifeguard. He can do it. He's drowning. Do it. Take it, lifeguard. Take it, Vicky. Mommy. Never swim by yourself, boys and girls.
You okay? Being rescued by beautiful women is every man's dream.
Wow, you're gonna tip my nose. That's beautiful.
I'm water, son, water. And on the steps.
I'm gonna see him. I'm upstairs.
On the steps.
Yeah.
All right. I'm an ASM. Air to surface missile. You're a dork. You're a nerd.
I'm an ATW. Air to water missile.
I'm gonna show you how to dive.
Here's how to dive. Here's how to dive. You ready?
Kill her hair.
Here's how to dive.
Wait a minute. I got it backed up or I'm going to get the lens. I can see me just keep walking. I walk right in the pool with the camera.
Al, the perfect dive is coming up.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
We're showing right in the pool. Now watch this.
Say hi, Mom.
Mom, watch.
Where are you? Okay, Sean, I'm ready for you.
Perfect dive.
Go over there. Go.
We're leaving. Where are you going?
Sinuses.
Where are you going? Back? The ultimate. I have enough of the bunk bed. Kick me. Your daughter kicked me.
Should be good for your sinuses.
You
Oh,
get in, and we'll see how good it is.
how many people have you had in this pool at one time, John?
This is it.
This is the most.
This
people
is
we've
Johnny
ever-
the day after. Look at his dilated eye pupils.
Eye pupils?
Smile,
Totally
John.
hungover.
Totally hungover. Couldn't even go to work today, huh?
Oh, I went. Didn't like it too good, though.
Did you have a fun? You know, you look totally different without your sunglasses, John.
Oh, it's okay. I got
Mom and Dad home?
I'll get you, kid. Sorry, John.
Where's the other one at? Out, Mickey.
I'm the two-headed man.
Don't jump there, guys.
Alright. Live long and prosper.
Bye. See my thing. See you later. Where's the other piece? Come and
Beautiful
jump right
women
outside.
leaving pool.
Bye. Yeah, see you next weekend. When we have our
That was sort of fun.
powwow, you know.
Its head just went.
Next weekend, about 5 o'clock-ish. See you there.
Oh,
Toodles.
I got it. I got some. Yeah, I said.
This is what a dead raft looks like.
Hey, John.
Children in pool.
Can these things go out? Hey, John. Can these things go out?
Mother watching children.
Can these things go out?
Little boy
Yeah, I'm
going,
always
gosh, I
content.
wish I was big. Very content.
Did you face your water until about
I'm too cold now. I'm dying of hyperventilation.
Beth Allen, doing wonderful.
Love.
Shawn Michael, would you hold on to her if she...
Where?
Look. Notice.
God, it's cold.
On the ankles.
I'll drown.
You'll go upside down, Toby.
I'll save him. I've got him. Then again, dunk the mug.
Him up. Triple jump. Son, you're gonna kill me in the steps. You got that?
Did you hear that language?
It's on tape, too.
Oh, did you get me?
Yep.
Get me on my triple jump?
Yeah.
And watch this.
Whoops, wait a
I
minute.
quit.
Oh! You're it.
I don't want to hear you guys are cold because we didn't bring any towels.
It's cold.
You're it. You're it. I shoot. Can I do upload that to you?
I didn't get to do that yet.
Can't get any closer, you're getting...
I'm in your living room.
Oh, dear.
Dirty piece of crappy.
Oh well.
This child has a mouth problem today.
Well, see you later. See you later.
Bye, Max.
don't know how we can handle this.
I'm gonna drop my shit. Stop. Go on. You what?
Unless you have one like me.
What is that?
I don't mind living here.
Tomato bug. I want that dog. The Adelante. Diving board. Joel strikes again.
Quality care nursing center.
Terror in little children. Good. Good.
Hey, Mom, here I go.
Nurse's aid. Oh, it's been about 4 months now.
How deep is the deepest part, John?
8 feet. She's gone. My dad's gone till 10:30.
Can I reach the ground, Mommy?
How much does it cost to put in a pool like this?
With it, Vance.
You can get it for
Pick
about
me up. I want to
probably
float around.
11,000 if you shop.
Float out with me at a kind of a deep part of the game. I'll save you. It's going to be able. Okay, I'll get on the diving board. Alright.
Old man's got 14 and this is all the concrete work.
But I think I want to dive off the diving board. Why?
See, I'd never leave home.
Oh, I wouldn't either. I'd be in it all the time.
I'd be right here.
Uh-huh.
I go swimming every day.
Did it help you lose tummy?
No.
Give it up to beer. Got rid of his tummy.
He what?
He gave that beer for a while.
He gave up beer. This man is a liar.
You know, like if you try to swim laterally, it's not really big enough.
No, baby.
Well, you know
My
the
dad,
shark
he says, all he says is,
Got it? Yeah! Ah! Hey, John, over here. Ah!
Is the light on? Am I recording?
Yeah. Watch out! Oh no, I'm gonna be blown. Hey, Mom, over here.
Hey, Mom.
Mom!
Just a minute.
Are you stinking? No.
let's say, about 2 days.
After it's dead.
Help me! I got a life jacket on. I forgot.
No, baby.
You're only going to be digging holes about 2 feet.
Clayton.
So, with shovels, me and Jack together, and
No, Clay.
then pile sand is what do you
Super
think?
science jump.
for the familiar with the dog?
Yeah, it's real hard to work with.
Whatever, what's the easiest thing, if you got teeth.
I'm saying go to see if they don't work that bad. You know, put stuff like this pool you got. You don't put it in like concrete. You only put it in like 3 inches thick. That's real thick for it.
It's hard to swim with a life jacket on in the water when you're in.
And get it even.
No, don't do it.
What's your kid? That's hard to do.
Do an interview on me.
Okay. Well, how's it feel to dive off a diving board in a big pool?
Well, it feels great. As long as I have a life jacket on.
This guy that's driving this forklift, he makes about $12 an hour. There's plastic stuff.
Little
laying in
boy
there.
driving raft.
Yeah. Keep that plastic picked up. You won't have to walk all over it, he said. He's sitting me down the road. I was in there. I was calling the boy and everything. I can't. Get tie one on last night.
All weekend it was like, man.
I didn't do anything Friday or Saturday, but I sure made up for it last night. Got a short amount of time, too. I need to do better stuff. That was a nice
Hi, Garth.
movie.
No. I'm glad we got it on tape.
Was he,
He doesn't have a Dorito bag with him.
Uh-uh. Does he what, John?
does he swim?
He started taking swimming lessons today. He goes to his grandma and grandpa's pool, but their pool's like 12 by 3.
You think that hurt? Look like it hurt. I did it.
You can get any size pool.
You never interviewed me, Mom.
Shapeless in the
Hey,
tail
Mom.
or something.
Mom, do another interview on me. Mom.
The company that makes these makes every design.
Mom.
Blue.
This way. This way.
They even had one, the old man was looking at it.
I can't get on you. Sure you can. Let me over reach.
Look at you, hot stuff.
I'm going sharky.
I'll tell you, you pay for this pool tickets all those years, and it's so good to know that they can swim.
Mm-hmm. What, kid?
Will you turn me around?
Turn you around? For what?
To get out of the pool.
Oh, you want to get...
Likes you on
Hi, Mommy. Okay. Hey, Clea, there goes the Superstone triple candle. Watch out, Fran. Okay, dude. I got my stuff on. I need to take my shirt off.
No. You'll get cold. Just get your feet wet.
Everybody come.
He's got a lot of sense. He's got a life jacket on. Ain't no way he's drowning.